Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Dimunt LED floor lamp. Now, in my opinion, this is a very stylish floor lamp. Would look good probably in any room of your house. It's got controls right there on the lamp itself. It's got one of those heavy bases, which most of these floor lamps do have. And it only takes 5 minutes or less to install, and it comes with a remote control. This lamp has different color temperatures. Let me cycle through them. There's one, there's the next one. It's getting warmer, and that one's pretty warm right there. I'm not sure how well it shows up on video, but that is its warmest temperature. It's very cozy. Now this lamp is dimmable. It's on its dim setting right now. One thing I like on the remote, it has a setting, it's basically a sunshine. Let me hit that. And man, that thing, it goes so bright right there that I almost have to squint to look at it. It's super bright in that where it's at right now. So I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna make it dim so I can look at it. Yeah, that light is good on the low end and definitely the high end. And of course you can control. I'm just using the remote control, slowly increasing the brightness right there, and it is throwing out a ton of light in my living room right now. The neck is totally adjustable however you like. This is one of those floor lamps that I think would go well anywhere in your home, living room, bedroom. I may even use it down in my shop because it's such a versatile light. So if you're looking at this floor lamp, I hope you found my video helpful.